In this video, we are going to learn how to make a twisted sweep. So let's start. So first of all, we'll make a 2D curve. I'm defining this curve distance to 20 and this side 15, enter. Now we'll take fillet command, F enter, then R enter, we'll put the fillet value, for example 6, enter, we'll select this part and this part. Now we'll select all the curve. Now we'll take J enter to join that all. Now let's go to isometric view. Now let's change this to realistic view. Now we'll make one rectangle. So I'll just draw a rectangle, REC enter. So I'll just define the rectangle will be 4 by 2 size. Now we'll take the sweep command, SW enter. We'll select the object, enter, then we'll go to twist option. And we'll define the twist angle that we want to take. We'll define 1000, enter, and we'll select the path on that we have to sweep. So here we'll get the twisted object. So this is how we can make a twisting object in AutoCAD 3D. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.